All right, we've got the Aspiron carpet and upholstery cleaner. So not only is this going to be amazing for carpets, it's also going to be amazing for your fabric sofas, car seats, rugs, even cushions, all sorts of different, carpets, upholstery, all that stuff. It's going to be amazing. If you have pets, amazing. But this will tackle any sort of stain. And and also it's look how compact that is. I mean, it's small. This is very easy to store. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to come over here. This is the clean water tank. So this is where it pulls the water from there, and then eventually this is where the dirty water goes. So to take this out, we want to fill this up with water. So we're basically just going to pull it out like that. From here, we want to open this up right here. Just open that up like so, and then we're just going to fill it up. So we'll fill it up. So there's the max line. We don't need to go that high today, but so as you can see, it holds quite a bit of water. Does hold quite a bit of water. That's good for now. So, and then we're just going to close that back up. And then to slide that back on, there's this spot right here, and we're going to want to line that up with this right here. And so what we're going to do, we're just going to pull that in like that, and it just clicks right in. And from here, we're going to get ready to go. One thing I want to say, this is going to be good for wider stains. This is going to be good for smaller, tougher, more hard to get out stains right here. Let's do it. All right, so I recommend hitting this with a vacuum. We're gonna hit this little area right here. I recommend hitting it with a vacuum first, just vacuuming it. Then you're gonna want to come in here and use this, the Aspiron. So what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna want to hook this in to there. So you just push it in. So you push it in. From there, when I power this on, when you push that down, that's what's going to release the water. So, and then you're going to let go, and it'll suck it up. So I'm going to do it right now. Here we go. So as you can see, the water is getting sucked up in there right now. And it's going into this spot right here. And I'm just gonna do the spot right here. And I think I actually might have used a little bit too much, but that's all good. Really, what is it? You can't use too much water. So just sucking it up right now. And we'll actually take a look in there when we're done. We'll clean it up. So as you can see, it's doing it. So pretty sweet. So that's pretty sweet. Now we'll clean out the dirty water tank now. All right, we're back here. We're gonna clean the dirty water tank. So the clean water tank's easy to clean. It's basically just stays clean. But the dirty water tank, you wanna press this button right here, pull it out, and then pull this out, pull these pieces out, this one and this one, and then you can just run it over here. You wanna come over here and look. You just run it under the water. Clean it. You can clean it as good as you want. Clean these pieces if you want, these pieces, and then you just put them back in, slide it back in. But as you can see, it is amazing, very compact, easy to use, easy to clean. What more can you ask for? Highly recommend.